Go ahead. It's not worth it. We're out of space. Oh no, it's working. Go ahead.
Hello, Grandpa. I'm gonna put some ornaments on my Christmas tree, okay, Grandpa? Let me find one first. Ooh, let's start with this one. A surprise. This is a surprise ornament. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I made this one at school. I made the picture.
Okay, get real close. Get real close.
I made
Show
the
it.
picture.
That's a nice one.
I'm gonna put back.
All right, say bye-bye. We're up to a minute. Say bye-bye. Then we make another one.